super slow. I'll show you clips, and yeah, I'll see you when I get to my destination. Super good food. I'm really thankful for the food. Tour right now, and we had to park really far because there's no parking space down near the university, so we have a lot of walking to do. I mean, it's good for like after eating and you're taking a walk and such, but yeah. So just finished the campus tours and such. We are in a really quiet cafe, and since the parking was really far and we walked for quite a bit, he's just retrieving the car and we're just waiting for him. And yeah, and I forgot to show you guys my kind of like natural makeup look. I used a sunset eyeshadow kind of look, and then I used the pepper tint on my lips. Had some very low eyeliner and mascara, but yeah, that's my makeup for today.